What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a Bitcoin update here real quick. We kind of have hit a very important support level for my 1212 thesis in order for it to play out. So let's hop into that chart real fast. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Also, guys, if you guys appreciate the time I spend pumping these videos out, I would appreciate a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel. That way YouTube knows that you guys enjoy the content and they can push it to a larger audience. Also, guys, real fast, I have partnered with a crypto exchange called MEXC Global. They are a new up-and-coming exchange that has a lot of altcoins that aren't on KuCoin and some other exchanges. Due to the FTX debacle, MEXC has kind of exploded and is expanding quite rapidly. So I have an affiliate link below where if you sign up through my affiliate link, I will give you a free 30-day trial to my premium Discord. All you got to do is just DM me the details with proof that you've signed up and you've made a deposit. And then they will also give you a $100 deposit bonus for futures trading. All right, so we have been talking about this series of 1212s, and during my last few videos, I've talked about this range up here being a range that I anticipate us to trade into and potentially move down lower into this green box. We have dropped into this lower green box, and we've gone a little bit lower than I would have liked to have seen. I would have liked to us just to kind of hit the top end of this box at the 382 fib level and then bounce up from there. We have wicked down to the 0.5 fib level and have so far bounced off of it. We need this to hold. I do not want to see another lower low. I do not want to see a sustained break below, basically 29.3 in order for this count to really continue to have, life left in it. If this is indeed the heart of this three wave, this thing needs to pump from here, and I don't want to see it go any lower than this. If we do go lower than that area, I will have to start to assume that we have topped in basically this, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure to put in our one wave, and then we'll have a retrace from there. And that retrace really has, depends how emotional everybody gets, but usually these two waves can go fairly deep, depending on how strong the bull thesis is and how emotions really react. But typically I like to see two waves retrace down to 618, which would be 20,188, but really anywhere from 23,806 all the way down to 17,952 is the area of support for this, for this bull run to stay intact. We have, from a market structure standpoint, we have officially made a higher high here. So really all we got to do is make a higher low, somewhere in this region without breaking, obviously, this low here, this November low, in order for this market structure to continue to have flipped or transition into a bullish structure. So again, what we need to have happen here is we need to really stay above this 29.3 level in order to keep this series of 1212s valid, and in order to have our pump up for our three wave here, which would finish this yellow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count up around 32K, and then another retrace down, and then a pump up to about 34, 35K. So, this count, we kind of got to use a little bit of caution. We got to protect our positions. If we do get a 5-wave structure, like this, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me throw the fibs on there real quick. So if we break below and hit roughly 28,866, bounce up for a 4-wave, and then come back down for a 5th wave down to 28.5-ish. That would be a full 5-wave off of the low. Off of the high. And then I would from there look for a retrace, up to around 30K or so, and I would hedge short there. Depending on how it reacts, that is where I would look to, hedge my altcoin swing trade positions that I'm currently in, because if this thing does go against us, those altcoins are more than likely going to bleed out. So I will hedge short in order to protect those positions. All right, guys. See y'all later.